Okay, I don't know how well this will turn out, but I didn't bring my GoPro, but I'm gonna try and film a driving video here in the 2006 F350 6.0. So, start. You can hear the air compressor kick on as I was showing the airbags earlier. So, I don't know how well this will show anything, but you can get an idea of it. It's a really nice, well driving, smooth, quiet truck. So I don't know that I could show anything too interesting. I'll show the four-wheel drive works well. But drive straight, alignment's good, you know, suspension, steering's good. Really excellent truck. I'd drive it anywhere. This you could certainly buy this and drive it anywhere else. Alright, let me slow down here. We'll do four-wheel drive. Although I don't know how well I could show that. There's parking sensor on off. So four-wheel drive. Lights on. I can feel it in the wheel. I don't really know how else I could show this well. But let me turn it back off. Let me straighten out and we'll do 4 low. So it still has the vacuum hubs, which work great. Alright, there's 4 high engaged. I don't remember if I have to be neutral or not. There we go. I've only used 4 low in the snow a couple times last winter. Oh yeah, there we go. Engage, so you can see I'm totally off and we're crawling. So yeah, worked great in the snow. I only used it once that I needed it. 4-wheel drive, 4 high, I used all the time in the winter. Let's see. I don't know if you have to shift into neutral, but I don't recall. Back 4 high. And shift out of 4 high. There we go. So yeah, 4-wheel drive system works great. Really useful here in Colorado, especially with a long bed truck. Makes it a lot easier. So around back here a little bit. And yeah, don't worry, I wouldn't do this if I was on a busy street. I'm back here where there's nothing going on. Let me stop real quick. Power pedals. Those work great. Light controls, the auto lights work great. So yeah, I think that's about it. AC controls work great. AC and heat's awesome. I drove this thing home in February and it was minus 15 through Wyoming. And I got home comfortably with heated seat and heater. So yeah, anyways, great truck. I'm gonna stop filming here and head home, but hope you like it.